architect of modern education in India. Maulana Azad was born on 11 November in 1888, Makkah, Saudi Arabia. He was from such a beautiful and honored background. His father, Maulana Khairuddin, was an Islamic renowned scholar of descent. His family later moved to Kolkata, where he received an excellent education in Arabic, Persian, and Urdu. He was deeply interested in knowledge, truth, and the future of the country. Azad became a powerful voice against British rule through his famous book written in Urdu known as Al-Hilal. His fame awakened the spirit of nationalism among Indians, and he encouraged the unity among Hindus and Muslims. Azad played a major role in the non-cooperation movement and the Quit India movement. He spent several years in jail, but even in prison, he continued to write and inspire people through his thoughts and vision. Maulana Azad played a major role in the non-cooperation movement. Azad became the first Minister of Education in independent India. He laid several foundations for educational institutions, including Indian Institute of Technology. He strongly believed that education is the real key to real freedom, and every child deserves, rich, poor, deserves education. To remember him, his birthday, 11th November, is celebrated as the National Education Day. He was not just a leader, he was a visionary whose ideas still guide us today. He taught us that knowledge builds unity, knowledge builds nation, and unity strengthens them. I would like to end my speech with a famous quote said by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. You have to dream before your dream can come true. It means you must first have your vision. You must first have a clear vision, a goal for what you want to achieve before you can start working to make it reality. Thank you.